Hi guys, we are
the Mini Pop Kids!
My name's Aviv.
And I'm Macy.
And this is our acoustic cover of
Attention
by Charlie Puth.
Here we go.
Oh, hey.
You've been running around, throwing that dirt on my name. 'Cause you knew that I knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in LA. 'Cause you knew that I knew that I'd be at one. I know that dress is coming, I feel regret. Got me thinking about when you were mine. Oh, and now I'm all up for you. What you expect? You're not calling me at home tonight. No, you just want attention. You don't want my heart. Baby, you just hate the thought of me with someone new. No, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. No, you just want attention.
What are you doing?
I knew from the start.
What are you doing?
You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. No, you just want attention.
What are you doing?
I knew from the start.
What are you doing?
You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. No, you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye, guys.